Hey guys, I wanted to show you some of the details of our Sprinter standard roof rack. This is a 144. This is Jake, one of our guys' vans, and I'm just going to show you some of the features. So the side panels are made out of 3/16 aluminum, powder coated, exterior grade powder coating, all stainless steel hardware. There is a metal front fairing right here that has a gasket. Bulb gasket that goes on and actually compresses down onto the roof of your van, so it gives you a tight seal against that for airflow coming up over. No wind noise, nothing like that. There is a metal back piece. Let me climb up there, I'll show you. There's a metal backer piece to that right there that gets assembled down on the ground, kind of adds structure to it, adds a contour so it matches the shape of the roof of your van. All of the crossbars that come in here are all 80/20 extruded aluminum. They have these cutouts on the ends, so sliding in T-nuts after the fact is super easy. You just drop them in and slide them over. The crossbars go into these slots here on the side, and you can put them in any location you want to. So the width of your solar panels, our decking panels that help fill the space. You got a fan. There's a rear valance that comes with it as well. The decking panels here come in a couple different sizes to kind of help fill in and configure wherever you've got blank space, or if you just want a couple to get up here and clean your solar panels. Throw a chair up here, walk around, whatever you want to do on the roof. The back side of this has some pill slots already cut into it right there, and that is for the Fiamma F45 awning, and that thing just bolts straight up. The brackets that you need come from Fiamma with the excuse me, with the awning when you buy it. You can see here the back side of some MaxTrax mounts. These pill slots in the top here are great for hooking stuff, straps, whatever you need to tie it down, or for bolting stuff through like these MaxTrax. Also there's some L-track cutouts on the side here, maybe, for straps if you've got those, our L-track Sun straps. And then lastly, your side ladder just fits right through this pocket. If you have the wheel wrap side ladder, it fits off to the right side. If you have the standard ladder, it fits off to the left side. If you don't run a ladder, it has a filler plate that bolts right in, and you won't even notice there. Right on. If you guys got questions about the standard rack or any of our other roof racks, reach out to our customer service. We'd love to talk vans with you and help you figure out what's the right one for you. But thanks. Talk to you soon.